In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set time tracking in FreshBooks, best settings for beginners. We'll walk through where to find the time tracking settings, how to pick the format that fits your workflow, and a quick demo so you know exactly what to expect when you start logging hours. By the end, your account will be set up to record time clearly and consistently. From your FreshBooks dashboard, click Settings. This is where you control how time entries behave across your account. Next, scroll to Advanced Preferences. Inside this section, click Time Tracking. You'll see two clear choices for how you want to record time: duration or start and end time. Here's the difference in simple terms. Duration is the fastest way to log time. You enter the total hours and minutes you worked, like 3 o'clock hours, and you're done. It's great for quick daily summaries, batching entries, or when you already know the total time spent. Start and end time is more detailed. You record the exact times you began and finished, such as 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. This option is ideal if you want a fuller picture of your day, need to track breaks, or prefer a clear timeline for clients and internal reviews. Choose the format that best suits your needs. If speed and simplicity are your priority, select duration. If accuracy with a visible schedule matters more, go with start and end time. You'll notice two radio buttons that make this choice easy. Once you've selected your preferred option, click Save Changes. That's it. The time tracking format is now updated across your account. Let's do a quick, safe demo so you can visualize it. If you chose duration, create a time entry for a task labeled VA Work and set the time to 3 o'clock hours. It's a clean, minimal entry that keeps totals tidy. If you chose start and end time, create a time entry for a task labeled Admin Task, with a start time of 9 o'clock a.m. and an end time of 12 o'clock p.m. This shows a clear 3-hour block, which can be helpful for reviewing your day or explaining work sessions to a client. To recap, you'll find this exactly where we looked. Settings, then Advanced Preferences, then Time Tracking with two radio options: duration or start and end. Pick the one that matches how you think about your work, save your changes, and you're ready to track time with confidence. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for the next video on how to track time and turn it into an invoice for a full start-to-finish workflow.